Owner Alphard, ever noticed? The child gets in the car and sneezes. Aircon open, keep the smell. Strange, many people's first reaction to the weather. Sensitive nose or other problems. But actually, the problem usually comes from inside the car. All this will be accumulated and bacteria. The function of the filter cabin is to catch dust and dirt. When switched on aircon, everything is blown straight into the cabin, and those with sensitive noses will feel uncomfortable first. Don't keep ignoring. If it's too dirty and smelly, don't be scared. Just replace the new charcoal cabin filter.